Hello, this is Nas Babar from NB Network Lessons. I am here to present you another lecture on IP Supernetting. So let's go ahead and get started. And by the way, if you pay attention to this will prepare you for your CCNA exam, because in CCNA exam there are a lot of supernetting questions, IP subnetting questions. So it would be a win-win situation if you pay attention and try to learn and hopefully ace on your CCNA exam. So without further ado, so we've got 130.28.100.0 subnet. Looking at this, you can look at it, the range right here, and you can say right away that this is going to be a class B address. It's a basically right now /16, which is class B. So if I put the mask over here in form of decimal, it's 255.255.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have /16. So classic mask is 255, 0.0, all zeros. So now what we want to do is we can convert these 255s into binary form. You already know that, right? So I'm going to put 8 ones over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then all zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So basically, this is the mask in decimal form, and this is the mask in binary form. Okay? Now, what I want to do is from the third octet, I want to steal 3 ones. All right? So, and this is supernetting. I'm stealing 3 ones from the third octet. I'm deleting these zeros, and instead I'm going to put 3 ones. Once I do that, I have changed the subnet mask. So the new subnet mask is going to be 255, 255. This is in decimal form. And what's going to be this? 3 bits are on. Remember my cheat sheet. 3 bits are on. First bit is on. 128 plus 64 plus 32. It's 224. So 224.0 right off the bat. Third octet, the one which we manipulated. 256 minus 224 will give me, let's see, 224, 256 will give me 232. Right? Agree? So then we will get 32 class C supernets. Okay? 32 class C supernet. Now traditionally, this is the class B address. I just want to point that out. But what we have done is we have manipulated the third octet and performed supernetting. So now the question is, what would be my first IP? So let's look at that. If you look in here, I have manipulated my third octet, right? So the first IP is going to be 130.28 dot question mark dot 1. So let's talk about this question mark. So this question mark is basically third octet. We have 32, range of 32. So we're going to have 0 to 32. This is the range basically which we have found by manipulating the third octet. This is the range. So 0 to 32, then we have 32 to 64, 64 to 96, and then 96 to 112. So where does this 100 fall? This falls into 96, between 96 and 112. So that's why first IP is going to be 96.1, right? What is going to be the last IP? 130.28. Now remember, we are only manipulating with the third octet. So 96, and then you have the range of 32, but we can't use the 32 because that's the network address. So this is going to become 127.254. Technically it's 255, but as you all know by now that this is a broadcast IP and we can't use that. So let's say if you have 4 networks, 4 IP subnets out of network, you can't use the first because it's network, and you can't use the last one because it's the broadcast. So this is, my friends, another session on IP supernetting. If you want more, let me know. I will go ahead and crank up some more IP addresses and deliver a lecture. Hope you liked it. Watch this 2 or 3 times and then practice more. And also another thing is that you can download IP subnet calculator on your iPhone or Android, and you can do it, and then you can check on your iPhone and see what you've done is correct or not. That's what I do. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked what I just said, go ahead and give me a like. Have a nice day.